Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best AM batteries for RVs on Amazon. AM batteries offer reliable and maintenance-free power storage for RVs, ideal for long-lasting energy supply on the road. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Renogy 12V 100Ah Deep Cycle AM Battery. Renogy's 12V 100Ah Deep Cycle AM battery would be an excellent choice to consider when choosing an AM battery for boat or RV usage. Its outstanding discharge performance would be one of the main reasons for its ability to function well in these situations. Its improved electrolyte formula is another standout feature. It's capable of ensuring a stable battery capacity and excellent discharge results at even temperatures below freezing. Cold weather rivers should be jumping at the chance to buy this battery. Solar energy users need to consider this battery as well. Its overall design is made with these people in mind, with its leak and spill-proof construction. This model should have no trouble working together with a solar power system. Number 2. Weeeye's 12V100Ah Deep Cycle AM Battery. This is an excellent choice for any rig owner looking to buy a 12V100Ah AM battery. The product is a perfect fit for these buyers because it has a long list of exceptional features that can make their lives much easier. One of these features would be its design, which minimizes acid spillage and removes the need for maintaining acid water levels. Due to these benefits, it's a maintenance-free choice worth trying for anyone who hates regular upkeep. It can create 24 volts or 48 volts battery arrays. This feature makes sure it can appeal to a broader audience rather than only vehicle owners looking for a 12V battery. You can expect this deep cycle battery to last longer than a regular or starter battery as well. It offers a level of durability any buyer will be more than happy with concerning their investment. Number 3. Mighty Max Battery 12V35Ah AM Solar Battery. As a contender for the cheapest AM battery on our list, Mighty Max Battery's 12V35Ah Deep Cycle AM Solar Battery doesn't fail to impress with its features. This rechargeable model makes things much easier for the user in a variety of ways. One of the most pivotal is its ability to be mounted in any position. Therefore, the device's installation becomes much simpler for whoever buys this wonderful device. You can attribute this benefit to its spill-proof design, which ensures no acid spillage will occur regardless of its mounting placement. This model shouldn't have any issues dealing with the wear and tear encountered when you are driving over rough terrains. As a result, it's a perfect fit for running small applications in an RV, motorhome, travel trailer, or car. The device's ability to work in both extreme hot and cold temperatures only confirms this belief further. Number 4. Chrome Battery 12V35Ah AM Deep Cycle Battery. If you're looking to buy an AM battery for car audio or other smaller appliances, Chrome Battery Store's 12V35Ah AM Deep Cycle Battery has got you covered. One of the main attractions of this battery comes from its easy installation. The battery is ready for usage right after being unpackaged. The entire installation process consists of connecting to your intended application. You can then sit back and let the device do its job without any trouble. It can be a cost-effective option for someone who's not looking to run larger appliances, which may require a battery with more amp hours. In this situation, the battery will have no problem running these smaller appliances due to its design features. The battery's usage of AM technology ensures it's a spill-proof battery and doesn't require much maintenance. Number 5. Adelco Gold AM Battery. This battery is an impressive option with several intriguing features to ensure its high-quality performance. Of course, it begins with its durable construction made from materials such as calcium alloy. As a result, this AM battery for truck use shouldn't have issues with road vibrations. It'll have no problems withstanding the bumpiest roads without breaking a sweat. RV and truck owners looking for AM batteries will love how easy this one is to install. Adelco did their customers a massive favor by making it a direct replacement for vehicles with AM batteries. It makes the entire process a much easier task for everyone involved. Users can easily retrofit this battery in high-load applications that don't already use AM models, such as motorhomes or campers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.